Right. I've got a plan, yeah. Fucking hell. Why wouldn't... Right. I'm going to further mix this 4x4 Rubik's Cube up, yeah. I've only solved it a couple of times, and each time I've had to look at a tutorial because there's certain parities, I think they're called, that I don't know. I don't know the fucking algorithms yet. I ain't learned them. But I'm forcing myself to just fucking solve it while listening to Mr. Bungle. The album is called Disco Volante. It's their second one. If you don't know who Mr. Bungle is, it's Mike Patton's band, After Faith No More, pre-Phantom Mass. There's other members, I can't think of them off the top of my head. Remember, I'm trying to scramble this up and then solve it without watching the video. But anyway, this is some crazy ass fucking music, just to keep me going, keep me fueled. So I would like to tell you what I'm doing, but you know, see, I'm trying to lock in. There you go though, there's the white one. Okay. Where's the other yellows? Okay. Yep. There we go, there's yellow, and white is still there as well. Okay. There's red. There's green. Orange and blue are nearly done, which is quite useful because, yeah, this music is really putting me off. So obviously I'm not trying to do this like fast, because it just ain't gonna happen. So I ain't trying to do it fast. There we go, all the middle bits are solved. Now for the edges, this is where it'll get really fucking annoying and take forever. Bro, what the fuck? It's like Looney Tunes. Yeah? Okay. I can't find the things I'm looking for. There we go. This bit always takes me the longest because I can never find like the actual pieces I'm looking for. So I'm just using like random ones. I'm joking, I'll just keep looking. But yeah, like I said, I'm not confident that I can solve this. I feel like I'm going to need the video, but I'm kind of praying I don't. I'm hoping it's not going to do any parity problems or whatever, because I can't be arsed. So hopefully it takes that, it hears that, and it blesses me up. Bro, this music is fucked as well, that's the thing, like, listening to pure madness. See, I don't know how to do this, I can never remember how to do this. I think you have to... I think you gotta do that. I'm kind of making this one up as I go along, so I can't remember. It hasn't done anything. That's the only issue. I don't think that's done anything either. I'm just making it up as I go along. Fuck. Oh no. Okay. I might have done something useful here actually. Oh, okay. I've accidentally got all the edges in. See what I mean? Like orange, white. Do you get me? Do you get what I'm trying to say? I'm fucking tweaking. But now it's basically a 3x3 cube unless it wants to give me parity problems, which, like I say, I hope it doesn't, because I just want to solve the cube without having to watch the video. Obviously, at some point I will learn the algorithms. They're just a bit long, so you just don't really feel obliged to do it just yet. That's me. Oh yeah, what's this? Right, so far, so bueno, but we don't know just yet, so let's just pray. Touch wood. The whole shed's made out of wood. I don't know why I like hesitated to touch something just then. I actually like forgot this music was on for a sec, and then I heard it again and I was like, oh my god, no way. This is where we might get another parity problem. This is where I'm really scared, guys, but I'm hoping, I'm praying, but it won't. Ooh, okay, it might not have. Just need to see. So what is this? Okay, so far no parity problems. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. Like I said, it's just like a 3x3 cube, but you can still get like issues that you know what I mean? I don't know. Right, now I just need to find one that matches up. Wait, hold up. Hold up. It's wrong. Something's wrong. I know how to fix it though. There we go. I don't know what went wrong there. Right, just need to keep like doing this trick until something matches up. There we go. Oh my god, I might have actually done it so I don't need to watch the video. I'm not going to hype myself up too much, touch wood, but I might have actually got this on camera, but I can solve a 4x4 cube. But we don't know just yet. Touch woods, touch woods. But I've got it on camera listening to Mr. Bungle Disco Volante, their second album, with me solving a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. It's been stressful, but it's also been great. It's been good to have you on Raincutter, you're whoever, goodbye.